Hi guys, it's Black Treacle o'clock. So very quickly, here are the ingredients we'll be using. Just like the golden syrup, we'll be using sugar, we'll be using water and lemon. So in I said and lemon. So in your neat pot, add your 100 grams of sugar, that is half cup, and add your 1/8 cup of water and allow it to boil. You can either turn it with a spoon or you just bend the pot around. Then after bending it and it has mixed up together, you allow it to boil. Just be watching it. It's going to boil so much, and at a point it will start foaming. Allow it to keep boiling. You can see. Then as it is boiling, it will start changing color. It will gradually start turning brown. From brown, let it keep boiling. You can see that everything has not completely turned brown. Let it keep boiling. You can also decide to bend your pots over. At this point, I don't put spoon anymore. I just let it boil. Then from brown, you're still gonna let it keep boiling till it turns black. Then you add your remaining 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water. You have to be very careful. The steam is hot. Then you allow to boil for another maybe 20 to 25 minutes. At this time, you're trying to, stir a bit, because by then a little of the already boiled sugar that turned black would have stuck to the pot. So just try to, romance the the content so that they will mix together. Don't be hard on it so that it doesn't spill and injure you. Then you add your 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Remember, in golden syrup we added 2 tablespoons. Here we added 3 tablespoons. Allow to boil, dissolve properly and incorporate. Then you have your your black treacle. And as usual, just like the golden syrup, is going to be liquid. You can see how it's running. It's going to be runny. Then you allow a little time. And as time is passing, it's thickening. As time is passing, it's thickening. Once it gets a little thick to that consistency you want, you turn into a tight container and you have your perfect yummy black treacle. With this, you can achieve the best, yummiest fruitcake ever, plum cake, dessert, different things. There are lots and lots of things you can do with, you can actually achieve in baking and cooking with black treacle. Cheers. See you some other time. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you're not following us yet, what are you waiting for? Bye.